The double-blinded clinical trial, 60 patients it looked at, and they were assigned into two groups, 30 each, a control group and a group that was given 40 grams of ginger and 300 milligrams of marshmallow extract, and the other group was given 15 drops of placebo. After 10 days of treatment, coughing attacks at night, awakening and chest pain of the patients were examined. The conclusion of this study was that this herbal compound significantly reduced cough severity and improved patients' well-being compared to the placebo. So the results suggest that marshmallow root can soothe irritated mucous membranes in the respiratory tract, and the ginger can help also.